Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tony Pro, your professional mentor. If you like what I am doing, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification like this. Voila. You may find yourself into a situation like me where you want to install an SSL certificate into your website, but you don't have $15 or $30 to spend. Don't worry, today I will be showing you how you can do that for free in less than 10 minutes. An SSL certificate stands for a secure socket layer. It's the most used security protocol that creates a secure channel between two computers on the internet. In other words, it's nothing than saving your website through an HTTPS address, as you can see on this image below. Let's see what we need to install an SSL certificate into our website. First, you need to have a domain that is registered. After, you need to have access to the DNS of that domain name. And lastly, you need a Cloudflare account. What does an SSL certificate bring to you? There are so many advantages out of this service, but we will highlight the security from hackers, SEO ranking. Secure websites have priority on SEO ranking. We also have Service Worker, which is one of the new features in web development that is trending today. It allows you to program background processes on the browser and many other cool features. And at the end, we have customer confidence. In this video, we will use Cloudflare as our SSL certificate provider. That is why we talked previously of a Cloudflare account as a requirement to have an SSL certificate installed. Cloudflare is an American company that is leading the industry of content delivery network, security service, and many other things like domain registration and so on. Their mission is to make your platform run faster and safer. As you can see, their data center spreads across this map on the world. Now we have talked a lot, let's go straight to the point. So open your browser and let's start. Okay, here we go. You search for Cloudflare and click on this first link. You can sign up if you are a new user. So I have an account on Cloudflare. I will just click on login and log in with my credential. Here I am inside my dashboard. As you can see, you currently don't have any website, so you simply click to this add site and enter your domain name that you want to install the SSL certificate on it. Mine is bpro.com. That will take some time and fetch the data. Then you click on next and you choose this free plan, which is $0 per month. You confirm the purchase of $0 per month, and here Cloudflare will query your DNS information and show you here. You can see that will add the SSL certificate to this bpro.com or www.bpro.com. as you can see this highlighted here. We click on continue and he gives us this DNS name server that we have to change in our domain. Mine is registered on iPage hosting, so I will log in into my iPage account. Feel free to use any hosting service you like or anywhere that your domain is registered. So I will simply go to this domain center and here I will choose my domain. Here we go to this name server, and as you can see, it's using the default name server. I'm going to use a different name server by clicking here and go into my Cloudflare, copy this first name server replace it here and go there again and copy this second one and replace it here. Then all you have to do is just to click on save, and that may take up to 24 hours to activate it. And here you click on continue, and that's done. After your registration will be activated here, everything will just be activated here also. So that is checking, not yet activated, and you can go into your domain. It's not yet secure. When that will be secure, you will see that it will add an HTTPS here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you. Bye bye.